వారాహి సిల్క్స్ వారి గ్రాండ్ ఫెస్టివ్ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ పొందండి 10,000 రూపాయలు ఆపై కొనుగోలుపై బంగారు నాణెం ఉచితంగా.
This is ugly, this is negative. To rat, to elephant, we are the biggest example.
No, you are taking a great initiative. I must first congratulate you and keep rocking and doing it. We all are with you. And I want you to keep doing all this good work, first of all. You inspire all young generation, Gen Zs. So I just want, as you're fighting it and not fighting it, you're coming out with what the pain you're going through and what you wanted. After this, what next? What next you want to do? Almost you have done, you're doing your work. You're getting the food, you're getting the shelters, everything. What next?
Like I said, all I request is people to question the governance and the state body that why did animal birth control not be effective? Why has the fake vaccinations being circulated? And why the alarms were not raised earlier? A mass genocide like these 300, 500 dogs killing which has happened in Telangana is not the first time. It has happened before also. How come alarms are not getting raised? How come such lethal chemicals are easily available? If it is easily available for dogs, you think it won't be easily available for human beings tomorrow? Killing is being normalized. Today somebody is comfortable killing so many animals, tomorrow is going to say, okay, 300 కుక్కలు నా నాన్నగారు 300 కుక్కల్ని చంపారు, నేను ఒక మనిషిని చంపలేనా? We cannot normalize killing. That's exactly what we are doing here. We cannot normalize this.
So what, like you are talking about the shelters, adoption, I love that thing, you know, that we should keep adopting and from our side we should do it. So what do you have to say on that, adoption wise and the centers wise you are talking about?
I have been repeatedly saying that we are all law-abiding citizens. We are not here to go against the Supreme Court's verdict. We will definitely respect it. We will definitely support it. I am sure all the NGOs will come together to support the verdict of putting these dogs in shelters, basharte that these shelters are as promised. These shelters need to be clean. These shelters should have proper vet care, should have medical facilities. Shelter does not mean you round up, thousands of dogs and put them in a open area. Animals are territorial. Manake ma neighbors to padadandi. Even though we are sensible, we are supposed to be the apex predators. We are sensible, we have grey matter. We function differently. But we only end up fighting and we don't come to a logic. We can't expect animals to think logically that okay, we are all going to be like, we're going to like, aaj matlab tea party karenge, kitty party karenge. It's not that. They are territorial. They're going to fight. They're going to die. We don't want that. Please show us these shelters. We're talking not about just one state. We're talking about the entire country. Get us these proper shelters and we will definitely support you. Give the caretakers the authority to go and visit them. పప్పీ స్టేజ్ నుంచి చాలా మంది కేర్ టేకర్స్ ఎన్జిఓస్ కానీ ఆ డాగ్స్ని మనం పెంచాము, వీధిలో ఉండొచ్చు అండ్ ఆల్. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ అండి, లెట్ మీ సే దిస్ త్రూ యువర్ ఛానల్, దట్ NGOs and shelters are meant for sick and unhealthy dogs, not for healthy dogs. An NGO works, an animal welfare organization works towards helping dogs which are sick or which have been in a road accident or have parvo or distemper. Dogs have a lot many diseases which can spread. Parvo and distemper వీటి గురించి అందరికీ తెలుసు. If it happens to one dog, it can happen to all the dogs. వాటిని ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేస్తారు? So these things have to be considered. We're talking about not thousands or hundreds, we're talking about lakhs and lakhs of dogs. Dogs gestation period is 2 months. They give one litter can go up to like 8 to 10 puppies. 2 months they reproduce. The only way to sort this issue out is by birth control. Operate them. Reduce their numbers.
Yes.
That's about it. And most importantly, ban illegal breeding, ban backyard breeding. Do not buy dogs or puppies for cheap price from people who are breeding them at home. That is contributing to rape. That is contributing to unconsensual, non-consent things, reproduction, rape. These are the words you associate with these things. This is ugly. This is negative. You don't want this. Stop this. If you stop that, a lot many problems, 80% of our problems will solve. వీళ్ళు పప్పీలు కొనడం 2-3 years అవ్వగానే రోడ్డు మీద పడేయడం, అవి వాటిని మనం షెల్టర్లో తీసుకోవడం. హౌ డు వీ హెల్ప్ ఇండీస్ వెన్ వీఆర్ బిజీ టేకింగ్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ డాగ్స్? కమ్ టు మై షెల్టర్. వీ హ్యావ్ లాబ్రడాగ్స్, వీ హ్యావ్ జర్మన్ షెపర్డ్స్, వీ హ్యావ్ షిట్జూస్. How do we handle all of this? NGOs are not government aided. And again, I'm repeating, animal shelters, NGOs are here to help sick and unhealthy, accident prone dogs. We are not here, a shelter is not meant for healthy dogs.
So at the end, I wanted a government should come and what support are you looking? Because as a human being, as a common man, you are trying your best. But I think the final destination goes to the government. We all appeal for that. So what is your appeal? And you wanted that this action should be taken as early as possible.
One more thing, like you said, as a common man, I am only following what my ancestors followed. That is something we have forgotten. Today, our tradition, our Samskriti, everything has come down to clothes. We have forgotten what our ancestors used to do. Our mothers, our grandmothers, whatever leftover rice would be, they would mix milk or curd to it and they will say, "Baite ese amma kukal tinestayani." Lekapothe are chapatilo unnai kada avalki petayani. We have forgotten that. Now we are literally fighting with people and asking them, why are you feeding animals? As a common man, I'm only following my tradition that my ancestors used to follow. And I would really take 1 minute of your time. In America, in 1916, an elephant that was used in circus for entertainment because she had, so they used bull hook to control elephants. So she retaliated that day in the circus and she killed her mahout. So people put a huge UN cry. This is in 1916 America. UN cry, kill the elephant, kill the elephant, kill the elephant. They arranged an industrial crane. They hanged the elephant. But the weight could not be taken by the crane. She fell down on her hip. She dislocated her hip. And again she was picked up and she was hanged until she died. And when the postmortem was done, she had a problematic tooth. So when the bull hook hit the tooth is why she retaliated.
Of course, in human being also, if we do something, irritate them.
But this happened in America. But as a country, as India, where we worship animals, if you notice, there is no human being in a god's photo, but there is always an animal in a god's photo.
Yes.
Be it a Ganpati, be it a Shiva, be it a Lakshmi, right from swan to rat to elephant. We are the biggest example of coexistence. Adi ela marchipoyam memo. All I'm doing as a common man is following what my ancestors did. That was America in 1916. అప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటికి వాళ్ళు ఎంత వీ డోంట్ సీ స్ట్రేస్ ఓవర్ దేర్. సో ఒక స్ట్రే కనిపిస్తే ఇమీడియట్గా వాటిని యానిమల్ కంట్రోల్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి షెల్టర్లో వేస్తారు. గో అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ దేర్ షెల్టర్స్. గివ్ us those shelters. Please take our dogs. Give us those shelters. We are all law-abiding citizens. We respect the Supreme Court. We will follow what they say. But they should also give us what they are promising.
That's true.
Give us what they are promising. Show us that. Not on papers, in reality.
Action.
We also want our dogs to be given clean water, healthy food and good medical care. We also want that for our community animals.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
ma'am. It
thank
was
you so
wonderful talking to you. Keep going on. For more updates, keep watching Suman TV. Till then, goodbye.